Hi everyone! In this video, we will show you how to download WhatsApp on your laptop. First, open the Microsoft Store on your laptop. Once you have the Microsoft Store open, you will see a search bar at the top right corner of the window. Here, type in WhatsApp. Now, the search results page will appear, showing you various apps related to WhatsApp. Look for the official WhatsApp application and click on it to open its details page. On the details page, you will see an option that says Open. Click on it. Now, WhatsApp has successfully opened on your laptop. Click on the Get Started button to begin the setup process. Follow the instructions provided on the screen to set up WhatsApp on your laptop. This may include scanning a QR code using your phone. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.